Hello everybody and welcome back to this tutorial, and right now we're going to take a look at how we can handle redirections from a different website. Now, the redirection in HTTP means forwarding the network request to a different URL. For example, let's say we try to visit a website, so open up your idle. First of all, import the requests, and let's say we try to visit github.com, so r equals requests.post, and in between the brackets we simply specify http www.github.com. So this is a website that we actually want to visit, and you will notice that once we actually print the history of this website, and by history I mean the history of paths of our post request, you will notice that we actually got a 301 status code. So r.history, press here enter, and you will see that the response was 301, and 301 response means that it was redirected. Okay, even though that once you print the actual r.status code you will get 200, that doesn't mean that in the process of actually getting the page you want, you didn't get redirected at least one time. Now you can see that the redirection process is automatically handled by requests, so you don't need to deal with it yourself. Now the history property contains the list of all response objects created to complete the redirection. In our example, 2 response objects were created with the 301 response code. HTTP 301 and 302 responses are used for permanent and temporary redirection. Now, if you don't want the request library to automatically follow redirects, then you can disable it by passing the allow redirects equals false. As we can see right here, r equals requests.post, perform the post request to the same website, www.github.com. Oops, I actually wanted to add that, but doesn't even matter. Let us go once again. Copy this, paste it, add comma after the link, and type allow_redirects equals false. Press here enter, and if you just print r.history once again, you will see it is an empty list, as well as if you print r.status code, you will get 301. That is because we are stuck on the actual response that wants to redirect us, because we don't really allow it. Therefore we can't really load the page. If you simply just try to print r.text, you will see it doesn't contain any HTML code, because we didn't really successfully load the page, because we actually didn't allow the redirects to happen. So that would be basically about it for this short tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I will see you in the next one. Bye!